Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jody and I am so glad that you joined me here today. If you enjoy decorating, crafting, DIYs, thrifting, antiquing, and tablescapes, then this is the channel for you. Shall we get started? Today I'm going to be adding some spring color to my fireplace mantle here in my formal living room. I am doing yellow and green in here. I have the rest of the room done already, and this is the last area that I need to do. So the first thing that I want to do is add this cute little bird's nest that has some green eggs and a yellow one in it over here in between the two candlesticks. Then I'm also adding these green berries on this. It looks kind of like a branch. The next thing is I'm going to be adding my pop of yellow with my flowers here. I am also adding this cute little bunny on the pedestal. I think he is just so adorable over here by the together sign. I did tuck in a little bit of fern here between my fleur-de-lis. I'm not going to do any flowers there. I did want to add a little bit of yellow here, so I just tucked in a few flowers in one of the green bottles. Again, I'm using the green berries on the left side here of the fleur-de-lis and more of the yellow flowers. And this is going to finish up the fireplace. I'm not going to put any more greenery or flowers. So let's get a closer look. Now, I didn't want to put too much on my fireplace mantle. I think this is just enough. Again, I love this little bunny here on the pedestal. And I love decorating with these green bottles, which are just olive oil bottles that I've cleaned out. I like to use some yellow, so I want to do a little bit of yellow and green in this room. Let's go ahead and see what I've done in the rest of the room with my vignettes. Everything is still the same in here. I did take away the horse and added this cute bunny and some yellow flowers. I also just tucked in some yellow flowers down here. Now I'm not doing whole new decorations in here. I'm showing you how to keep what you have already and just add, your touches of spring with your everyday decor. As you can see, I decided to keep this chair here for now. I did recover it with that material. I have not had a chance to go to the antique mall yet, so I haven't finished down there. I'm going to keep my hutch all the way open. Everything in here is still the same. I added some yellow flowers. The only thing I added was this cute little lime green crackled bottle. That was my mom. She had a whole collection of different sizes or actually shapes and colors. I again added a couple bunnies on the top and some more of those yellow flowers. So I'm not going to be adding anything else to the secretary hutch at this time, unless I go to the antique mall and find something. I'm just going to keep it simple in here, just add a few touches. We're going to go back over here to the fireplace mantle one more time, and then head over here to this table. Again, everything is exactly the same on here. I just added some yellow flowers into the greenery here, and I tucked in a few in the book. So over here to the right is my dresser. Everything is exactly the same, and I just tucked in some more of the flowers. And all I did was add a little bit of yellow down into my greenery here. Now, before I show you the whole room with me stepping back, let me show you this little snippet here. Can you guess what I'm doing right here? I was doing this yesterday. I am cutting out my roosters. I'm making a big one and a little bit smaller one for myself. And that's what I'm going to be working on this weekend. It's going to be cold and snowy, so what better to do than do some crafting? Now, if you want to see me cut out this rooster all the way through, let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see it on another video. Now, let's go ahead here, and I'm going to step back a little bit, show you how the whole room looks. I think this is plenty in here. Just have a little bit of pop of spring. So let's go ahead and check out a few close-ups of all the vignettes. Please leave me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video today. Again, please leave me a comment down below if you'd like to see how I cut out the rooster entirely. Just to let you know that it's going to be Tablescape Tuesdays, and on Tuesday there will be a tablescape. Not sure if I'll have a video up on Monday yet. We'll have to wait and see. Like I said, I'm going to be working on the roosters and a few other DIYs. I want to wish everybody a very wonderful weekend, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.